Hi, welcome to the My Matcha Life kitchen. My name is Callie O'Brien. I'm the CEO and co-founder of My Matcha Life. We get lots of questions about our different matcha products and how they're unique from each other. So today we're going to talk about the Foodies culinary matcha. That's this one. Foodies culinary matcha is made from all pure second harvest tea leaves. So that means the leaves have stayed on the plant until August. And because of that, they've got a strong green tea taste. Not a lot of L-theanine amino acid in this one, but it still has some. But it's got a nice balance of caffeine and catechins and just a little bit of L-theanine. So when you're going to cook with matcha, you don't really want to pay a premium price and then cook out all the nutrients that you just paid for. So if you are going to cook over 118 degrees Fahrenheit, we suggest you use the Foodies Matcha. At a cost per serving, it's about 23 cents, so it's really great value. You can make matcha shortbread cookies, which are delicious. I wouldn't recommend it for a traditional matcha just with hot water, but for any other mixed beverages or baking, it's perfect for that. You get 100 servings out of this bag, and they're delicious.